from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah. You feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah, even McJagger couldn't.
We're finished getting the paint, so back to the garage. Hey guys, so we just got back from Vinnie Burns. Shout out to them lads, absolutely dead on, looked after us, showed us all what we needed to do, how to mix everything. So we're gonna check out the paint now. Oh. And there it is. Holy shit. Look at that. There's not enough under here. Oh wow. We got you good there. We're unfortunately not going to show the color until the end of this video. So from kind of here on out, anytime you see us spraying or have the color, it will be in black and white, but stick around, do not skip to the end. It is worth the wait. I promise. No bullshit here, right? Stick around to the end of the video and see the big reveal. See the difference, because I have some shots of before and some shots after, so it's gonna look absolutely insane. I know it, I just know. I've seen the color now, and wow, just wow. It's time, let's go. Let's start painting. Woo! Okay guys, so little update as to what's going on. So far we did a 2 base coats on all the body panels. We just finished it up the butt lid. You know, once that's done, we're gonna leave it in the room temperature. It's quite warm in here, we have it heating on to dry. I'd say we'll come back within the next 2 hours, you know. But everything so far, it's crazy. It's shaping up nicely. We didn't expect it's gonna turn out, you know, so well. Okay guys, so we are at the end of day 1 at the moment. Well, day 25 if you count all the masking and sanding, but end of day 1 of the painting. We just finished up now. The parts look absolutely amazing. We just finished up the bumper and the doors. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys secret color on that, you know. Gotta keep it to the end of this video. But while you're listening to me talking shit, guys, make sure to go down and hit subscribe. We're a very small YouTube channel, and we would love some of your guys' support. So please feel free to go down and hit subscribe if you're enjoying the content so far. So we're gonna leave the paint to cure on the body panels for a few days. So we'll catch you guys then. Boom! And we're back. So it's been a few days now. I'm back in the garage again. We've just rolled the shell inside of the garage. It's looking pretty dire, but the painted body panels look incredible, guys. Honest to God, look incredible. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go prep the garage and we're gonna start spraying. Let's do it.
You're making me fucking famous, you are, but fucking gorgeous.
Hey guys, what's the crack? I'm just here to give you guys another little update. So the whole car has been sprayed. I had my dad in filming that, so there might not have been any talking updates, but we're also giving him his first shot at actually spraying the car. He's actually doing the most important part as well. He's putting some of the base coat onto the bonnet, which you know yourself, if there's any runs in it, oh, big problemo, you know what I mean?
There won't be runs, it'll be perfect, watch. Absolutely perfect.
So let's check it out and see his first time spray painting properly. You feeling nervous now or what? Before we go any further though, guys, I want you to drop a comment down below before you see. Make sure to go down there and comment down below. What do you think the color's gonna be? Has anyone got it down? I wonder. Is there any color in the background that might give you some sort of hint? There's a hint in the background right now. Pause the video and write your comment. I want to know what you guys think, okay? Let's go. Ooh, damn, that shit looks good. So the guy's done an amazing job today. Honestly, I had a lot of work today, so unfortunately I couldn't be on the job spraying and whatnot, or helping out. But the color looks really great in that. I almost said it again. No. Yeah, it's all sprayed up, so we're gonna leave this to cure for a few days again, like the body panels. So we'll catch up with you guys then, and we will start the assembly and putting her back together again. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. It's gonna look incredible. Hopefully it looks good for getting done in the garage. I really hope so. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, today is the day. Today is the day we're gonna assemble the car and start standing and buffing it. Again, unfortunately, I won't be able to help for most of it. I have work to be doing in the meantime, so I'll be back and forward. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoy this time lapse. Let's go. Okay, right, I've been dragging this out long enough. Are you guys ready to see the big reveal of the color? Because I sure am. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cue the music. Let's go. Yes. The Subaru finally went blue. Little Rexy here, she's finally blue. When my dad bought her originally, he was saying that he wanted it to always be blue, and he was a little bit upset. And then for a while, he was on the buzz of, oh no, I have to keep it original. So it's finally blue, the color they were born to be. Absolutely amazing, guys. So I think it's about time. She hasn't been out on the road in a while, so it's about time we probably have some fun on her. Let's do this, guys. It's a little dark out, so hopefully the footage looks good. Let's go! Amazing, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love the new color. Know your thoughts in the comment section below of this pearl Royal Rally Blue. But how nice does it look? One of one. I don't think there's any others in the pearl Royal Rally. This looks incredible, guys. I hope you get the chance to see it in person one day when all this Corona stuff is kind of over and we can go out to a car show and show you guys. Look at this massive scoop. It's insane. Okay. Make sure you hit subscribe before this video ends. Make sure to hit like if you enjoyed. And thank you very much for watching through the whole video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.